What's up, Dream Media family? This is Zach. Welcome back to another episode. Today, I'm out here in Flowermound, Texas, checking out another beautiful outdoor entertainment setup. We have a Samsung Terrace outdoor TV that's delivering a super bright and vibrant image, and it has the anti-glare technology built in so the customer can view this thing from across the pool. Now, there are different stages to this build, and he will have some upgrades coming down the road. But we started off with his theater. While his pool was being built, the first priority was getting him some quality sound and video to the hot tub area right here. So we have the 55-inch TV mounted. Then we have some Focal OD8 outdoor mounted speakers right here. And we had the guys run all of the wiring nice and neat to where it's completely hidden. And then there is a Titan outdoor Sonos beam mounted up underneath the TV. And we have a Sonos amp driving our Focal OD8 weatherproof speakers. So there's a couple different zones for them to choose from, either the soundbar attached to the Samsung TV, the Terrace, or they can stream to their Focal OD8s. In addition to, the primary way that they're using it is for a group where they have music playing through both at the exact same time. But what's really nice with Sonos is we have the ability to separate out the Focal speakers from the Sonos. So the reason that's important is because, say you have a sports game going out here, the Cowboys are playing, you want to have the audio going through the TV, and you want music piped out to the rest of the party. Or maybe you have some sports fans over and everybody wants to hear every single bit of that game. What's great is you can grab the audio off of the Sonos beam, the audio that's playing through the TV, the sports game, and then pair together not only our Focal speakers, but all the other speakers throughout the home so that whenever you're entertaining, nobody misses a beat. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that Metallica demo. Now I'm standing here with the customer, Sean, and I wanted him to give a little insight into your experience with Dream Media.
Yeah, thank you. We've had amazing comments from our neighbors and friends that have come over, but we watch a lot of football, and one of the things that with this TV is that we're able to watch really any part of the backyard. Wherever the sun is behind us, in front of us, we can see the score. It's just been an amazing investment, and the TV has just been a blast to have back here, and really an extension of the whole house.
Yeah, absolutely. So he has the Sonos system throughout the entire home, so he can group this together to keep the vibe going indoor and outdoor. So it's more than just getting an outdoor rated TV. It's also about the glare and the brightness, guys. These things are vibrant, as you can see.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, well, I appreciate you coming on today, Sean. How was your experience with our customer service?
It was top notch. Working with Kellen, getting the invoice. He's always looking at the efficiency of what it costs and what I need. 2 for 2. Did the media room, did the backyard, and very happy.
Awesome. Appreciate it. Thanks for coming out today. All right, guys. Well, that is a wrap on this sweet little outdoor entertainment setup behind this pool here in Flowermound, Texas. If you're interested in us doing something like this for you, reach out today for our free video consultation. Dream Media is nationwide and would love the opportunity to create a system designed for you and tailor a package to fit your exact needs and budget. Whether you're looking for a very sophisticated whole yard system, we have satellite packages with in-ground subs, or if you're looking for something very simple like this, an outdoor TV and a couple speakers mounted to the wall with the Sonos app, we have you covered with all the industry-leading brands that you love and that nationwide free shipping, as well as our extensive preferred installer network, who we now have throughout 28 states. All right, guys, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and be sure to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching.